This is a bowl. Obviously, to you it doesn't look like a bowl, but if you were able to see on the other side, you can see that there's nothing in here. So that technically is definition of bowl. Solid outside and bottom. Really nothing on the inside. Kind of like me. So I turned this a long time ago, and I'm just not crazy about the shape or just the girth of it. Honestly, I say that about a lot of things, but right now we're talking about this bowl. So we're going to work on it. We're going to try to improve it. That's what we're going to do. And yes, I turn with gloves on. Holly. Because I don't like having my knuckles busted. Yep, went too thin. Went too thin. Now what are we going to do? Oh. See it? Can you see it? I knew I was getting close, but you see all this? I didn't want to take all this apart. Like just one more pass, one more. You got where you want it now. Let's go one more. So how are we going to fix that? Super glue. That's how we're going to fix that. Super glue and sawdust. I can repair that. And then a lot of sanding. Stay tuned. Son of a... Just one more. You just had to go one more, didn't you, you dummy? Just one more. Hey, just one more, DJ. Just a little bit more. You're not there yet. Just one more. One more.